Hello and Happy New Year from Great Valley Advisor Group. The new calendar year is underway for investment markets, and there's so much focus on what's going to happen in the year ahead. But sometimes it's worthwhile to stand back and take a look at markets from something other than a calendar year basis. We've seen a fantastic rally in the U.S. stock market since October 30th that has continued into the new year. So it's reasonable to wonder what's done well and what's giving opportunity in the current market environment. Now, it's no surprise that the technology sector has led the market higher since October 30th. But one of the things that's notable since we've started 2024 is that this is a sector that's experienced a meaningful pullback. This is something that we're going to watch as we continue through the early part of the year. Looking beyond technology, it's notable that there's some other sectors that have done even better so far since October 30th. Leading among these is the financial sector and the real estate sector, both of which have meaningfully outperformed the market since October 30th. What's driving this strong performance? The expectation around interest rates. It's the belief that inflation is coming down and the Federal Reserve may lower interest rates as we go through 2024, providing relief to these two interest rate sectors. Another area beyond stocks that has also done particularly well since October 30th is the bond market. One of the things that's surprising to many investors is how well the bond market can perform just when the stock market's performing. If we take a look at the long bond or the 30-year Treasury bond, its price has pretty much kept pace with the S&P 500 since late October. So this raises a question. With all of these areas of the market doing well, are there any areas that have been left out and have the potential to catch up in the months ahead? Two leading laggards that we've seen so far has been the energy sector and the broader natural resources sector. These areas of the market have been largely flat since the end of October, under the idea that inflation may come down and the economy could slow in the year ahead. But what happens if we see the opposite? My number one risk for the year ahead is the potential that we see a surprise renewed rise in inflation. If this takes place, the areas of the market that are likely to benefit most are the areas that have been left behind since October 30th, the energy sector and the natural resources sector. So for those investors that are looking for opportunity and want to position for something other than the consensus expectation right now, this may be an area of the market that's worth a closer look. It should be an interesting year ahead, and I look forward to seeing you more as we continue through 2024.